YouTube and welcome to my channel. It's going to be a week of sunsets and tropical palm trees. Today I'm working in a noisy place. So I'm just going to start by brushing down the container and getting the loose dirt off there. So I've been around the whole container with some rust stabilizer, I don't know what you call it, prevention, curer, and I've applied that to all the rusty bits that I've exposed. I'm going to wait for that to dry and then I'm going to paint the masonry paint on top. So this is the stuff, it's the rust converter by Rustins, and it should stop the rust from coming through the paintwork and trap it. It's going well. Having a little break now. Got an ice cream. See that the got a first coat of blue on there. I'm just adding a second coat. But yeah, just thought I'd have a little break, and I've got my blueberry slush as well. Very nice. Yeah, so looks like I'm the last one here. Don't anyone work a 9 to 5 anymore. All the staff ended up leaving about 4:30. They all shot off, and I'm here. It's gone 5:30. I've been left to lock up, so I've got to lock up the gate, but it shows that they trust me. I guess you can't really blame them with this beautiful weather that we've been having. They probably wanted to get back and enjoy the rest of the day. I'm blessed though. I've been enjoying it all day. I must have the best job in the world, getting paid to paint walls. So yeah, can't complain. Living the dream. So I'm back. We're going to just crack on and start spraying. So I'm going to mark up a horizon line and then start adding in clouds and put that on a time lapse. Okay, so I've got the sky on there, the tropical sky with the clouds, nice blue sky, and I'm going to add the island in the distance now and then work my way down. Just coloured in the island behind me, and now I'm going to do some light blue, so I'm going to do a strip of light blue gradient coming down just to make the waves. Right, so I've got the sea on there and the beach. So now to finish off with palm trees either side, and then the picture is complete. that's it, we've reached the end of the video. We've got the island in the background, the beach. I've taken all the tape off, we've got palm trees in the corners. It's looking tropical. And today I've returned to a previous client's garden. I painted this wall for them a few years ago, and going to be painting the back of this metal fence. So I'm going to be using some Scotch pad and just going to sand down the metal just to key the surface so that the spray paint sticks to it. So, as you can see, I've worked up quite a sweat. I feel like Daniel-san from Karate Kid. If you're an 80s baby, don't know if you're a fan of the original Karate Kid. If you've seen Cobra Kai, let me know what you think of it in the comment section. But yeah, it's taken me a couple of hours to wax on and wax off. I've been sanding down this fence, and we're finally there. So the next stage is going to be a microfiber cloth. I'm going to wipe it down, then I can start spraying. I've also got to mask off the area and then start spraying. We're in currently in September now, and the sun is beating down, so we've got that Indian summer heat wave that we wanted. But yeah, I'm just out here working, sweating it off. So as you can see, I've got through quite a few Scotch pads, and I've been using heavy duty red industrial gloves, heavy duty red gloves, and yeah, we've got through all of these. So I've got the base colours down in strips, like a gradient, and the next stage is going to be a blend. So I'm going to use an Astro cap, and I'm going to blend the colours so you can't see stripes. It's just going to be a fade of colour for the sunset, and then there's going to be a sun and some palm trees. So yeah, I'm going to have a lunch break. I'm lucky enough to have some bacon sandwiches and sausage rolls, hot dogs being brought out to me. So yeah, I'm being spoilt today. So I've got a nice fade going on there. I've also got a nice arch for the sun on a corrugated surface, which is quite tricky, but if we go in the middle you can see it's a good arch, and I used a bit of string for that and marked off where I wanted the arch to go. Yeah, and now I'm just going to use this dark sort of burgundy colour to add in the palm trees. It is hot today, very hot, and the backdrop I've done is also reflecting that heat. But yeah, it was hard working on a corrugated surface, but I had a few little splatters, but I've tidied them up. Very hard when you don't have the base colours, but yeah, I've neatened it up, so it's as good as I can get it. And I've got the palm trees in there and some trees along the bottom, so it's a nice scene. It looks almost as if you're on a balcony looking down into a sunset. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.